I'm Adam Haley with the Haley Realty team, and I'm here with April Nicole Scipio with We Dream Media. And I wanted to ask you today, what are your tips for entrepreneurs to maintain a healthy mindset?
Thank you so much, Adam, for having me. Mindset is one of my favorite things to talk about because I really believe that mindset is 90% of what we do. So my top tips for maintaining a healthy mindset: number one, what are you feeding yourself? And you're probably like, April, what are you talking about? Cake, coffee, vegetables? No. What are you listening to? What are you reading? Those are things that you are feeding your mindset. I know that when we feed our mind good things, it helps our mindset to stay healthy. Just like we eat healthy foods to keep our bodies healthy, we have to feed our minds healthy things to keep our mindset healthy. Another thing I'll say is, who are you connected to? I'm telling you, man, look at the 5 people you hang out with. I promise you, you're looking at your future. You have to hang out with people that already have a healthy mindset, who are going to encourage you, who are not going to have a pity party with you if you have a bad day, but the people who are going to remind you that you can do this. You want to hang around people that breathe and eat and look successful. Success is so important when it comes to the circle that you hang out with. I think the last thing I'll say, Adam, is you really have to take action to keep a healthy mindset. A lot of times when people are on their entrepreneurial journey, they start taking steps. And if they misstep, the initial reaction is, I want to retreat. That hurt. You know, when you stub your toe, you're like, well, I don't want to go around that corner again. It's important that you keep taking action, even if you mess up, even if you miss it. Keep taking action. Consistent action definitely helps to breed a healthy mindset.
Yeah. Hey, I agree. I appreciate everything you just shared, and I know you've got a lot to share with a lot of people, especially as entrepreneurs and business owners. And I would encourage them to check out your business and contact you. You do a great job, and I really appreciate you.
Thank you so much. Thanks.